Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study library at home. First, assess your available space and determine your specific study requirements. Think about the type of work you'll be doing and how much room you need. Consider the natural light in the area and identify potential sources of distraction. Finally, establish a realistic budget for any necessary furniture or supplies. Next, select the right furniture. An ergonomic desk and a supportive chair are crucial for comfort during long study sessions. Invest in sturdy shelving units to organize your books, journals, and other study materials. Consider adding closed storage options, like drawers or cabinets, to keep your space looking neat and free of clutter. Now, let's focus on organization and ambience. Arrange your books logically, perhaps by subject or author, to ensure easy retrieval. Incorporate both task lighting for reading and ambient lighting to create a warm atmosphere. Personalize your study library with items that inspire you, like plants, artwork, or motivational quotes, to make it truly yours. Finally, maintaining your study library is key to its long-term effectiveness. Regularly clean and declutter your space to ensure it remains a productive environment. Periodically review your resources, updating or removing items as needed. Establishing a consistent study routine in your new library will help you maximize focus and achieve your academic goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.